Hello everyone and welcome back to MORGBORG Tech. Here I have 3 different phones. As you can see, a couple are in this package, there's one in this one. This phone here I've bought from a seller I've bought a few phones from in the past, and these phones here I bought from a new seller. So my voice is kind of stuffy right now. I have a bit of nasal congestion. Just bear with me. I just wanted to get this video done for you all. These two in here I believe are an LG and a Kyocera, and in here is a Sanyo. And so, yeah, let's get into it. I'm going to actually do this one here first. As you can probably see, the phone is right here. Just got to get into this air wrap here. This little bubble. And here we go. Here's the first phone. Pretty sure this is a PM8200. Yes, it is. If I didn't say it before, these all work, even though one of them has a little bit of water damage. So here's one of the phones, and the other should be right in here as well. Alright, here's the second phone. This is an LG Freedom on US Cellular. I believe other carriers had that phone under a different name. If I'm being honest, it reminds me of the LG Extrovert 2. By the way, that phone is on Verizon. And here's the last phone. This is a Kyocera Dura XV. So I'll go ahead and turn these on for you real quick. These should all have juice in them. There we go. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this one just has a dead battery, unfortunately, so I can't turn that on right now. And this Sanyo has a charge. Nice old Sanyo startup sound there. So there is just a 3-piece phone lot. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, peace.